Hello everyone, today we will take a closer look at the pig farm. Stay with me, and today you will definitely learn a lot of new and incredible things. Today, we are taking a closer look at the entire journey of pigs from farms to processing facilities, uncovering how they are transported, handled, and turned into meat products that eventually end up in supermarkets and restaurants. The process begins at the pig farm, where the animals are raised under controlled conditions. Once they reach the required weight, workers carefully herd them into transport trucks. This step requires skill, as pigs can be unpredictable and easily stressed. Special guiding boards, ramps, and even electric prods, used with care, help direct them into the trucks. These vehicles are designed specifically for livestock transportation, with ample space, ventilation, and temperature controls to ensure the pigs remain calm and comfortable during the journey. Once loaded, the pigs are transported to various destinations. Some are taken to finishing farms, where they continue growing until they reach market weight. Others are sent directly to slaughterhouses, depending on the demand. During transport, experienced drivers follow strict regulations to ensure animal welfare. They avoid sudden stops or sharp turns, as stress can negatively affect the quality of the meat. Upon arrival, pigs are unloaded into holding pens. At finishing farms, they receive high-nutrient diets to help them reach optimal size. Those headed for slaughterhouses undergo a brief resting period to recover from transportation stress before moving to the processing area. This rest improves meat quality by reducing adrenaline levels in their system. To ensure humane treatment, pigs are stunned using electrical shocks or CO2 gas before slaughter. This process ensures they are unconscious and do not experience pain. After stunning, the pigs are quickly bled out by trained professionals. The carcasses are then placed in scalding tanks to remove hair and are thoroughly cleaned before further processing. After cleaning, the pigs are butchered into different cuts of meat. Each part of the animal is used efficiently. Some cuts become bacon, ham, or pork chops, while others are processed into sausages, ground pork, or even gelatin for various food products. The meat is carefully inspected for quality, ensuring it meets health and safety standards before moving to the next stage. Once the meat is processed, it is packed into vacuum-sealed containers or frozen for extended storage. Refrigerated trucks then transport the products to supermarkets, butcher shops, and restaurants worldwide. From there, it reaches consumers, ready to be cooked and enjoyed in various dishes. Final thoughts: this entire process, from farm to table, is carried out under strict regulations to ensure food safety, efficiency, and humane treatment of the animals. It is a fascinating system that feeds millions of people worldwide, ensuring a steady supply of pork in different forms. Now, let's take a look at an intense compilation featuring construction cranes facing catastrophic failures. Towering cranes sway dangerously as their support structures give way, crashing down onto buildings, roads, and vehicles with devastating force. Some collapse due to strong winds, others because of mechanical failures or operator miscalculations. Steel beams buckle, cables snap, and massive arms come hurtling toward the ground, sending workers fleeing for their lives. Each impact leaves twisted wreckage, shattered glass, and mangled metal, a testament to the raw power and danger of heavy machinery. Meanwhile, bulldozers and excavators struggle against unstable ground, some sinking into deep mud, others tipping over as they attempt risky maneuvers. Forklifts overload their limits, causing towering pallets to topple like dominoes, crushing everything beneath them. Giant dump trucks, weighed down by excessive loads, lose control on steep inclines, flipping onto their sides in clouds of dust and debris. Every mistake, every miscalculation turns into a disaster, highlighting the importance of precision, experience, and safety in handling these enormous machines. The chaos continues with wrecking balls swinging wildly, missing their targets and slamming into unintended structures, causing unplanned destruction. Concrete slabs collapse mid-lift, while entire scaffolding structures come crashing down, dragging workers and equipment with them. These scenes serve as stark reminders of how unpredictable and unforgiving construction sites can be when safety measures are ignored or mechanical failures strike at the worst possible moment. Towering cranes buckle under the strain of massive loads, collapsing in a cascade of twisted metal and shattered glass. Excavators miscalculate their digs, triggering landslides that send tons of dirt crashing into nearby structures.
What you doing? Oh my God!
Scaffolding crumbles mid-operation, leaving workers scrambling for safety. These construction disasters aren't just costly mistakes, they are terrifying moments where engineering miscalculations and human errors collide. Massive concrete beams, intended to support entire buildings, crack under pressure due to improper mixing or rushed construction. Bridges, still incomplete, come crashing down as weak supports give way, turning projects worth millions into rubble in seconds. Inexperienced operators mishandle heavy machinery, causing excavators to topple, bulldozers to plow through walls, and dump trucks to tip over, spilling loads across active worksites. Every one of these fails is a harsh lesson in why precision, planning, and experience are crucial in construction.
Oi, 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 oi.
Safety measures exist for a reason, yet time and time again, shortcuts lead to catastrophic results. Whether it's a steel frame warping under its own weight, a foundation failing due to poor soil analysis, or a crane operator misjudging a swing, the consequences are both dramatic and dangerous. From small-scale mishaps to full-blown collapses, these moments reveal the fragile balance between success and disaster in the construction industry. Every miscalculation, every ignored warning, every rushed deadline has the potential to turn a project into a deadly disaster. Now let's move on to an incredible compilation of heavy equipment failures and wins. Here, we witness massive machines facing unexpected challenges, with operators either losing control or demonstrating impressive skills. Excavators tip over as they struggle to maintain balance on slippery slopes, their buckets helplessly digging into the ground in a desperate attempt to stabilize. Bulldozers get stuck in deep mud, transforming from powerful earth-moving giants into immobilized heaps of metal. Tower cranes lose their balance, sending their massive loads crashing down, leaving destruction in their wake. Operator mistakes lead to disastrous consequences. An overloaded dump truck tries to climb a steep hill but suddenly loses traction and topples over with a deafening crash. A forklift driver rushes his task, dropping heavy cargo and triggering a chain reaction that topples an entire stack of materials. Even the most powerful machinery is sometimes no match for the laws of physics, but there are also moments when skill prevails over chaos. A seasoned excavator operator miraculously prevents his machine from tumbling into a deep pit, executing a last-second maneuver with precision. A crane operator, sensing the load swinging dangerously, reacts instantly to correct the movement and avoid disaster. These incredible saves highlight the importance of professionalism and quick thinking when handling heavy machinery, from absurd failures to jaw-dropping recoveries. This compilation has it all. One wrong move can lead to total destruction, while the right actions can turn disaster into victory. Now let's take a look at some of the most dangerous and unbelievable moments involving excavators and heavy equipment operators. Right now, massive machines are being pushed to their limits, with drivers attempting risky maneuvers that could go either way: an impressive display of skill or a complete disaster. Excavators struggle to maintain balance as they climb steep, unstable terrain, their massive arms digging into the earth for support. One wrong move, and the entire machine could tip over, crashing down like a ton of bricks. Meanwhile, some operators attempt extreme stunts, testing the full capabilities of these powerful machines, scaling near vertical slopes, performing delicate precision moves. Or even using the bucket as a stabilizer to maneuver through tight spots, but not everything goes as planned. Some excavators lose grip and slide uncontrollably down muddy hills, while others miscalculate their weight distribution and topple over in an instant. The sheer force and unpredictability of these machines make every moment incredibly tense. And when things go wrong, the damage is catastrophic, whether it's an excavator flipping onto its side, smashing into structures, or getting completely submerged in water or mud.